G'day everyone, this is a Fleischmann 130/2. I bought this off eBay probably about 8 years ago, Australian eBay, and when it came it was brand new in a box. It never been fired, still had all the Fleischmann tags on it, and probably hesitated for about 10 to 15 minutes thinking, should I fire this up or not? And that's how long it took me, about 10 to 15 minutes. I think looking at Vintic's Fleischmann site, I'm pretty sure this dates from around 1966. The only thing is it's got just a plain brass boiler. It hasn't got the blue boiler, which I think was more common on them, and it's still got the dull manometer that was still being used by Fleischmann even in 1966. They were still putting them out with the dull gauges. But this one came with a 4-burner SBET burner, 4-block SBET burner, and they're just, I think everyone knows these old Fleischmanns are just really nice. They're beautiful. It's a shame that Willisco stopped making them. Like the Willisco engines are great, but they're just not up to the standard that these old Fleischmanns are. But I'm going to run this on a Bix burner for the day's steam. I've put a lot of hours on this, and it's just a beautiful engine. It's just a beautiful engine to run. It's just so nice. I've got the steam exhaust coming out to one of Aussie Steam Demon's beautiful chuff pots and chuff enhancer. So anyway, I'll get this lit up. I've filled the boiler up. I'll get the Bix burner lit, and when it comes up to steam, I'll be back. Okay, back again. Steam's building up. Open up the steam valve and see if we can get it turning over. Such a lovely plant to steam. As always, thanks for watching. Bye now.